Welcome to English Practice Every Day. Speaking fluently does not mean speaking with a particular accent. You should sound close enough to native speakers, but you don't need to imitate their accent. Fluency does not mean accent. Fluency and accent are often confused. They are not the same. A fluent person is capable of expressing all their thoughts, feelings, and ideas without hesitation and confusion. The objective here is effective communication, to communicate clearly and coherently. You can achieve that without adopting a native accent. On the other hand, many people focus solely on imitating the native accent, which, in my opinion, is the wrong approach to becoming fluent. People might copy the accent but still struggle with fluency, meaning they can speak with a native accent but experience hesitation, confusion, and fail to communicate effectively. My suggestion here is simple. Don't focus on speaking in a native accent. Don't try to imitate native speakers' accent, but speak clearly and coherently. This also doesn't mean maintaining the rhythm of your native language. No. As we discussed in our earlier videos, English is a rhythmic language, and you should always speak English with a rhythm distinct from your native language. Your focus should be on speaking with accurate sentence structures and clear pronunciation of English words. That should always be the primary goal of your English speaking, not the native accent. As a non-native speaker of English, you should always speak with rhythm, accuracy, and clarity in pronunciations. Now, how do we achieve that? Practice. English practice every day. That's how you develop fluency. But not just any kind of practice. Systematic practice, structured practice, goal-oriented practice. On this channel, we have a few lessons that explain how to develop fluency in our English speaking, followed by practice videos that reinforce these lessons. On this channel, we have a variety of ways to enhance our fluency. 1. By adding phrasal verbs, idioms, and proverbs. We have several videos on this channel dedicated to phrasal verbs, idioms, and proverbs. 2. By adding vocabulary. We have a playlist on this channel for enhancing your vocabulary practice, and we will keep adding more to it. New videos to enhance your fluency will be coming soon. We will have videos focusing on visual practice, where we will describe what we see in the outside world. There will also be videos about narratives, meaning telling simple stories, sharing experiences, or expressing thoughts and ideas. This skill is essential for effective communication and becoming fluent at the same time. Being able to think in English, express yourself in English, and describe everything in English are the very foundations of fluency. On this channel, my efforts are directed at helping you achieve all of this slowly and patiently, one video at a time. You may have noticed that I take efforts to include text alongside whatever I speak on this channel. This is to ensure clarity so that you don't miss or misunderstand anything I say. It is like having subtitles. Whatever I speak, you will see the corresponding text to help you in voice and text correlation. Lastly, to reiterate, fluency does not mean adopting a native accent. We can have different accents. English fluency means having the ability to think and imagine in the English language and being able to express yourself clearly and coherently without hesitation and confusion. So keep practicing with patience and discipline. Bye for now.